Elisha. Today I will be showing you how to create a drop-off ramp using basic household material. I have a hot glue gun, some hot glue sticks, a pair of scissors, some popsicle sticks, some pieces of cardboard that I had laying around the house, a couple of paper towel rolls that I've already cut in half, and of course some marbles. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to create a drop-off ramp, first starting with the base. Okay, now, so for our base, we'll take our paper towel roll and we'll glue it down to a piece of cardboard. And this is just simply how we'll make our base. So once it's glued down, you'll take one of your popsicle sticks and you'll cut it in half. Once you cut it in half, it'll look something like this. And then you'll just start to glue those pieces to the side of the paper towel roll. Okay, so I began to glue my popsicle sticks onto my paper towel roll, and so I want you to kind of see, I kind of staggered them off. So for the first level, one of the sticks is high and the other one is a little lower. For your next level, you want the next one to be low and one to be a little bit higher, and then you'll repeat the process. The next one up is higher, the one across is lower, and then you just kind of keep building up. This will give you that zigzag pattern that you're looking for when you're trying to do a drop-off ramp. Okay, so as you can see, I glued the popsicle sticks onto my paper towel base. I had 3 other paper towel rolls and I cut them in half. Once I cut them in half, they look like this, and so now I have a total of 6 pieces. I'm gonna take my pieces, and before I glue them down, I'm just gonna lay them across the popsicle sticks to make sure that I have the downward pattern that I'm looking for. So I'll lay them across. And already you can kind of see your slope forming, which is pretty cool. Okay, and I'll add that one back. Now I'll go through and I'll cut just the tips of each piece so I can make sure that when my marble falls, it'll fall right into each of the paper towel rolls, and I'll also glue them to the popsicle sticks. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so the very last thing I did is I went and I added 2 popsicle sticks on the end of each side. I did 2 sticks and I made them in the V shape, and I put a half a stick across, just so that when the marble is going down the track, the marble doesn't shoot off. So wish me luck. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that wasn't a good attempt. Let's try one more time. And there we go. There you have it. Here's my marble, and it went down the ramp just fine. And this is how you do a drop-off. Thanks for watching.